Alright, this video is for Tesla owners that have issues with their HVAC system. So this is a easy way to check and reset the system on your Tesla. Works for Model 3, Y, and possibly some other ones. So on the bottom left, click on the car, and then click on, let's see here, software. And then after that, hold that there for 5 seconds, and then type in the word service. And then enter. Okay, so now everything lights up red. You're in service mode. If this is scary, you can always log out by clicking exit service mode. If you're comfortable, then eventually you got this index in the middle, so you want to click on the one that says thermal, and then under thermal you want to click on actions, and then actions you're going to have self tests, test HVAC performance, test thermal performance. So if you click on test HVAC performance, it'll say run. Click run, and then it says press the brake, and then do the turn signal to the right for like 5 seconds, and then it'll do its magic, and then it says run routine, and what it'll do is it'll check all the heat and AC and everything. Right now the AC is being turned on, so it's checking the AC. So it checks like the floor, all the different vents to make sure everything is working. And then it goes into a heat mode, so then it gets hot. So it checks the heating elements. And if everything checks out, it'll be green. If there's anything wrong, it'll be red usually. So by doing so, it'll tell you if there's anything wrong with HVAC system, and if there is, sometimes just doing that, it'll reset the system just by doing that. So I'll let it run. Usually takes a few minutes for it to do its thing. So now it's turning up the heat. This is a 2024 Model 3. Basically, it's running all the cooling pumps and the heat pumps. So if there's anything wrong with any of the heat pumps or the cooling pumps, it'll catch it. If there's anything that needs to get reset, it'll reset it. Now it's going back to the cooler air, so it's checking the AC now again. So the temperature does change and fluctuate as it does the test run. Okay, so it says routine passed. You can rerun it. We don't need to rerun it, so we'll close it. So we did the HVAC performance tests. Now you can do test thermal performance. So click on that, click run. So now it's doing the thermal system performance test. So it'll be checking the heat system. And I want to say, I think the cooling system too. So a thermal system is essentially like the fans that run underneath the car. In fact, if I go out here, I can kind of show you where it's at. Don't mind me, it's summertime right now, so I'm barefoot. But underneath here, there's a fan with a radiator. out and show you how it all works. So right here is the radiator with the fan underneath here. So basically it's checking the fans and the radiator, making sure all works fine. This car is a project car, so it needs some paint. But that's basically how you make sure everything works fine. That's a really good one to check, I would say, maybe in the winter one time. So routine passed. So that's a good one to run again in the winter for the heating. Make sure it keeps everything, you know, not too cold. Make sure that battery stays warm. And in the summer, you know, you want to make sure that the AC works. So you want to do the test HVAC performance. So test HVAC, that's for summer. Thermal performance, probably better for like winter or summer as well, because you want to keep that battery cool. In the winter it keeps it warm, and in the summer it keeps it cool. So that's how you do it. These both should be red. That just means that you're not currently you know, refueling anything as far as coolant. I have another video on that. But hopefully this answers the question for those that wonder how to test the HVAC system, you know, the thermal performance system. And that's how you do it. And then to exit, you just click here and hold that. You're back home. If this helps, leave a comment or a thumbs up or subscribe. Bye.